Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Amelia and I post new life and style videos every Wednesday at 4 p.m. So we have mail. I got a package because obviously we've all been on some form of quarantine for at least the past 6 days, and I thought, what am I going to do while I'm essentially stuck in the house? And I thought, let me give myself a lash perm. This is from Amazon. It costs like $30 for this kit. I did watch the Jenna Marbles video of her doing it and didn't work out that well for her, but I also believe that I'm just like slightly maybe more talented than her, so I think it might work, or it might burn off all my eyelashes. Either way, who cares? Yeah, we are going to try this. It comes with very simple directions and allegedly all the things that you need, so I shouldn't need anything else besides what is in this kit. I have wanted to get my eyelashes perm. My eyelashes are like side profile, like pretty long. They just stick straight out instead of paying a professional, because although I appreciate what the professionals do, and I'm sure it would turn out a lot better if a professional did it, I just feel like if it's out there for me to do myself, I might as well just give it a try. This is what it looks like inside. It does look like very cute. I have high hopes for everything here. So the first step, use the cleanser to clean off the oil, dust, and makeup residue. I just had to grab little like makeup pads really fast and use the cleanser. It's just like a little bit. It's got this little stop thing and can you see that? That should be nearly impossible for me to get off with my nails, which are now growing out and not so cute. I have like half foundation face, half not. But yeah, I thought I would look like my skin would be really nice because I wasn't gonna, you know, be putting that much makeup on because I'm working from home now and I have like no one to really impress. Obviously that wasn't the case. I'm breaking out like worse than ever. Apply the eye pads underneath the eyelids to protect your skin. So they did not have these in like the normal one, but now they have them. I've actually never worn little like under eye pad masks. This is cool. Then we're going to use these lift pads, and they're those weird plastic things you see on people's eyelids, and you're going to apply it with the lash glue so it sticks, and then you're going to comb it up, which I do really feel like this is like a two-person job. Let's go M2 and just glue that right to my eyelid. So they do give you false lashes glue, so this should come off easily. Again, keyword being should. So you just like paint it on this little pad so it sticks. You see how it's like just not sticking to my eyelid? I did not think this was going to be the most difficult part, if I'm being 100% honest. Okay, now that my vision is just being completely blurred. Okay, I feel like they're pretty odd. They're pretty good. Then apply the glue on the eyelashes to keep it stuck to the pad. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna need these little eyelash tools they give you, which are like very... Why did I think that was a good idea? These things are so annoying. Like, you see how it's just like not sticking that well? Like if you wiggle, I got my eyes hurt from these pads. If you wiggle them back and forth, you can get that look. Okay, so my eyelashes are stuck to these pads now, and my eyes are really hurting, and like it's not because of like the chemicals or anything, because like all I've used so far is the eyelash glue. It's just like literally having these pads on hurt. So now we're going to take the actual perm solution and somehow cover my eyes with plastic. I don't know. I also shouldn't make too many facial expressions. Oh my god, that smells like perming solution. Okay. Here we go. No turning back. No turning back. On to just casually perm my eyelashes at home. Cece, stop, 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 stop. Oh my god. All she does is sleep. And then as soon as this camera turns on, she acts like a psycho. And now I'm supposed to cover with plastic. Don't know what that means. Alexa, set a timer for 8 minutes.
8 minutes, starting now.
There we go. Night night. Night night. Okay. Alexa, stop. All right, so it's been 8 minutes with the perm solution on, and now I'm going to be adding this fixing solution, which is in this actually very pretty blue. That's a really nice color. Does not smell like the perm solution did, and it doesn't really even have a smell. Taking a new little wand thingy, and I'm just gonna apply it like I did everything else. So what has everyone been doing for fun? This is like the first weekend where it's like real. So I've just been working mostly. I'm still keeping my workout routine, and I make sure to go out for a run or do like an indoor workout. I can do Pure Barre. You know, there's some influencers who took down the paywall on their sites, so you can follow them. But this is like the first, okay, I need to like entertain myself sort of thing. But you know, it's really shocking how many people like crowds. Everyone's like dying to like go to like a social gathering, and I'm just like, I never liked being with a bunch of people, so I don't know, it's not that difficult. It's more difficult to be like, I want to go to the mall, or like I want to just like go get coffee, but I also know that just unnecessary trips are just unnecessary. I also need toilet paper. Definitely thought I had a lot more when I went shopping last Friday, and it didn't even matter because Target was out when I went. Yeah, I have just 2 full rolls left, so good start, good start. All right, now this is going to be put on for another 8 minutes. So Alexa, set a timer for 8 minutes. I mean, it kind of looks like it's working, right? Like it looks like the videos that you see of the girls getting this done. It doesn't really say how long it's supposed to even last, so I don't know. I feel like the normal one lasts like 6 weeks depending on like what you do. You know, if you like put mascara on and stuff. But I don't know, this was $22. They're normally like over 100, so I kind of assume it is not going to last that long. Okay, well, I just realized these little cleanser things have these like combs. So I was supposed to totally like comb my eyelashes with this little comb thing versus trying to do it with that brush. So they probably would have been a lot more separated. And I just tried doing it, but they're like really just like glued down right now. Okay, so another 8 minutes has gone by, and now it says clean the eyelash lift pads, then use the number 3 nutrition lotion yellow color to nourish eyelashes. No. Okay, so I think it means with like the non-comb part of this thing, that's what you clean the eyelash lift pads with. This is kind of difficult. And then to nourish, because you just perm the shit out of your eyelashes. Nourish. All right, use then the cleaning stuff to clean off all that stuff. This is it. Is this going to have worked? The white fuzzies are sticking. Oh my god. Wait, this is like, oh my god. Oh, that does not feel great. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Oh no, I made a huge mistake. Okay, I'm gonna go get some makeup remover. Alright, hopefully this will remove, but I'm looking for it to remove. No, just all this glue is stuck on my eyelashes. I really felt good about this until this moment right here. Oh, I gotta like scrape it out. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I got most of the glue off. I'm still like just covered in glue. Like it's just all over my face and my eyebrows, on my hands. It's everywhere, which just makes sense because I put a lot on to make it work. But like besides the glue, it actually worked. Like, my eyelashes are actually lifted, which is crazy. Like, obviously I hoped it worked because I bought it, but to actually like see the difference of my eyes just look like more open. I feel like I even did a decent job separating my eyelashes, but yeah, like I feel that is like not bad at all for one, my first time not watching a tutorial besides like Jenna Marbles video on this, which was obviously I think like mostly comedy, but this worked out pretty well. Yeah, even like not as close up, you can still kind of tell like my eyes just look a bit more open than they normally do. I am pleasantly surprised. You know, as I said before, I'm definitely curious as to how long this will last, especially because I am a person who enjoys to put mascara on, but there's just like glue on my camera. I don't think I would need to put it on necessarily anytime soon. Not really going anywhere, but this is kind of nice to just like automatically just like look more awake almost because your eyelashes are lifted, and it only costs like $27 for this kit as opposed to $100. In the description, if it hasn't lasted by the time I upload this video, I will put it in there. I'm really happy with the results on this one, and if I do it again, because I feel like it's definitely worth it to do this, like a total of an hour it took me to do this. I don't know, I have nothing but honestly kind of good things to say about this. I felt these iPads were the most annoying part, so I did have to take them off. But yeah, this is Icon Sign Lash Lift Kit. You can find it on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. It's not sponsored or anything like that. I don't get a commission off the link. I'm just doing it if you are inspired and want to do it. Okay, one activity of this quarantine is done. What am I gonna do now? I don't know. All right. Anyway, I hope you guys are staying safe, listening to your state, country's rules around this whole crazy situation that we have all found ourselves in. Please stay inside. Please wash your hands, social distancing, all those great things. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe it brought you just some relief of the stress that this kind of brings. And if you are here when this is all over, I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this. And as always, have a wonderful day. Bye.